Okay, here is a basic unboxing of the VideoMic GO from Rode. I'm just going to go through a few bits that I bought for it to make things easier. Here we have the windshield, which is a dead cat Go. You put that over your microphone and it should hopefully deaden some wind noise. So that's the dead cat Go. Then we have the 3.5 stereo audio extension cable from Rode. I think that's 3 meters, and basically it extends so you can obviously place your microphone other locations. Okay, and then for the unboxing itself, which is basically your Rode box. We just need to open it because it obviously is sealed. Obviously you get some instructions, which is in multiple languages. It's 2-year guarantee on this, if you're wondering. You get your 3.5mm jack cable, which is quite short, but it is long enough. And here is the microphone. It's quite nice, isn't it? And let's just pop it on the SLR. So obviously there is a hot shoe mount on there, which you can tighten. It's nice and solid. Has the nice vibration compensation rubber on there, and that's your microphone basically. And it is powered by the battery of your camera. You don't have to put batteries in it, and that's the advantage of it. And the difference between this and the Pro isn't that much in terms of quality from the tests that I have seen. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going to go from the back of the camera and you can get to hear what it sounds like from the back. The integrated Rycote Lyre shock mount isolates your microphone from bumps and vibrations that could otherwise interfere with your sound. Obviously that was from the back. Now I'm going to go to the other side so you guys can hear what it sounds like from that side. Constructed from a single piece of hard-wearing thermoplastic, the Lyre provides superior acoustic suspension to traditional erratic solutions and will never wear out, sag or snap. Okay, I'll read a little bit more at the front for you guys to hear a little bit more what it sounds like. The VideoMic GO has no complicated switches or settings and is powered by your camera's external microphone input, requiring no batteries to operate, ensuring you've never missed a great shot. Just wanted to give you an example of what it sounds like all the way around the camera, so you can get an idea of what the sound is like from various directions.